Hello everyone, in this video we will know about the first flight of a helicopter on Mars planet. Yes, once again it is a splendid achievement for human beings. So let us know everything about this mission, about this helicopter as well. So the name of this helicopter is Ingenuity. This mission was launched by NASA, the space agency of USA, where NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. On Monday, 19th of April 2021, NASA announced that the Ingenuity has performed its first flight, the first flight of an aircraft on another planet. This helicopter got its name because of a high school student, Vanija Rupani of Alabama. This moment is very proudful for we Indians as well, because the chief engineer of this helicopters project is J. Balaram, a graduate of IIT Madras, who later went on to work at NASA. Anyway, moving ahead, the helicopter Ingenuity was carried by NASA's rover called Perseverance. That mission was launched in 30th July 2020. The rover Perseverance was landed on 18th Feb 2021 at Jezero crater site in Mars. Perseverance is the most advanced, most expensive and most sophisticated mobile laboratory sent to Mars. The purpose of this mission is to understand the geology of Mars and seek signs of ancient life in Mars. This mission is different from previous missions because it is capable of drilling and collecting core samples of the most promising rocks and soils, and ultimately these samples will be reaching at Earth for practical and experimental works. The life period of this rover Perseverance is about 2 years. The rover Perseverance has carried 7 instruments with it, and one of them is the helicopter Ingenuity. The main purpose of the Ingenuity is to collect samples from the location where the rover cannot reach. The other instruments are the first one, Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment (MOXIE). This instrument will use power to produce oxygen using atmospheric carbon dioxide on Mars. And if successful, this will be used for 2 critical needs of humans. The first one, oxygen for breathing, and the second one, rocket fuel for the trip back to Earth. The another instrument is Radar Imager for Mars Subsurface Experiment (RIMFAX). This instrument will provide high resolution mapping and also look for the subsurface water on Mars. The another instrument is Mastcam-Z. It is an advanced camera system with panoramic imaging capability that will help to determine mineralogy in Mars. The another instrument is Mars Environmental Dynamics Analyzer (MEDA), that is having sensors that will provide measurements of temperature, wind speed and direction, pressure, relative humidity and dust size and shape. So these are some instruments carried by rover Perseverance. Now the question is, why a flight of a helicopter on Mars is a milestone achievement? Let me tell you, this helicopter had taken its first flight for 40 seconds where it ascended about 3 meters in the air. It is an achievement because the first successful flight of the Wright brothers was also short, about 12 seconds. Moreover, the atmospheric density of Mars is very low. To sustain a flight on Mars, the helicopter blades have to rotate at 2400 rotations per minute, or we can say about 8 times as fast as a passenger helicopter to fly on Earth. And also, for a helicopter to fly a few meters from the ground on Mars is equivalent for a helicopter to fly 2 to 3 times the height of the Mount Everest. And let me tell you, right now the best fighter jets available in the world could fly as high as 3 times the height of Mount Everest. So we can imagine how big achievement it is for a human race. Now let me tell you why most of the space agencies in world are looking for the space missions to Mars. There are 2 primary reasons. The first, similarity to the Earth. As Mars orbits the Sun, it completes one rotation every 24.6 hours, which is very similar to one day on Earth, 23.9 hours approx. Moreover, Mars is a planet where life may have evolved in the past. Conditions on early Mars, roughly around 4 billion years ago, were very similar to that of Earth. So the scientists are continuously looking at every aspect to check the life possibility right now on Mars. The second reason is most suitable among other planets, because Mars is the only planet that human can visit or inhabit in the long term. Venus and Mercury have extreme temperatures. The average temperature is greater than 400 degrees Celsius. And all other planets in the outer solar system, starting with Jupiter, are made of gas, not silicates or rocks, and are very cold. So these are two reasons why most of the space agencies are looking for Mars missions. Let me also tell you the history of Mars missions as well. In 1971, the erstwhile Soviet Union became the first country to carry out a Mars landing. The mission name was Mars 3. In 1976, USA became the second country for successful landing on Mars. Since 1976, USA has achieved 8 successful Mars landings. The latest one is InSight in 2019. If we talk about the India's Mars missions, it was MOM, Mars Orbiter Mission, or Mangalyaan. It was launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Andhra Pradesh by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, in November 2013. It was a successful attempt of ISRO, but it was not a landing mission. It was a orbiter mission, means the MOM or Mangalyaan is orbiting around the Mars. That's all from my side. If you find this video informative, like it, share this video with your friend, subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.